This is how AI can help you create professional PDFs in literally minutes, sometimes even seconds. So this is UPDF, and at first it looks like a normal PDF editor. You've got your basic tools, clean interface, nothing crazy. But once you actually start using it, that's when you realize it's doing a lot more behind the scenes. It works on both desktop and mobile, which is already a big deal because most PDF tools are either good on one or the other, not both. So whether you're on your laptop doing schoolwork or just fixing something quickly on your phone, it's the exact same experience. Now, starting with the basics, you can highlight text, add comments, insert stickers, and drop in e-signatures. Pretty standard stuff, but even here it feels faster and smoother than probably what you're used to. Where it really starts to stand out is editing, because normally editing a PDF is a pain. You try to change one line of text and the whole format breaks. With this, you can actually edit text directly, move things around, replace images, and even update links without everything falling apart. It feels more like editing a Google Doc than a locked PDF. But the main reason this exists is the AI. A lot of the repetitive stuff is handled for you, so instead of manually going through and organizing a document, the AI can restructure it. If something looks messy or unprofessional, it can basically clean it up automatically. Same thing with annotations. Instead of adding everything one by one, it can generate them for you based on the content. And this is where the UPDF 2.5 update comes in, because they added 10 new AI agents. So instead of one general AI tool trying to do everything, there are more specialized. Depending on what you're doing, editing, summarizing, organizing, it switches to the right tool for that task. It makes everything feel more accurate and less generic. Another feature that's actually really useful is semantic search. Normally when you search inside a PDF, you have to type the exact keyword. If you don't, you just don't find anything. But with this, you can search more naturally, like how you'd actually ask a question, and it understands what you mean and not just what you type. So if you're dealing with a long document or something complicated, this saves a ton of time. And then there's probably the most impressive feature, the summarization. Since it's powered by GPT-5, it can go through massive PDFs and break them down almost instantly. I'm talking about 500, 800, even over 1,000 pages. Normally that's something you'd either spend hours on or just not do at all. Here you can get a clean summary in seconds and actually understand what's important. This is especially useful for school, research, contracts, and honestly anything where you just don't want to read the entire document, but you still need that key information. Another thing I like is that it doesn't feel complicated. A lot of AI tools try to do too much and end up being confusing. This is pretty straightforward. You just open a PDF and the AI features are just there when you need them. You don't have to learn a whole new system. So yeah, overall, if you deal with PDFs even occasionally, this can save you a lot of time and make things way easier. If you want to check it out, you can get UPDF Pro for $10 off using the link below. It's completely risk-free and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, make sure you like and subscribe for more tech content. More videos will be coming out soon, so also make sure you have your notifications on. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.